Hey, what's up, guys? We are doing concrete today, and our boom truck just got here. Let me show you guys. This is Beelman's, Southern Illinois. And if you look at some of my previous stuff, videos, you can see that what we've done in the back. So I believe we're getting 30 yards of concrete today, if I'm right. We got our John, our operator. We're gonna go in the back and take a look, see how things are going in the back. This is what it looks like in the back. Like I said, that's the end of the boom, and then concrete flows through those tubes to reach back here. I'll give you guys an update after we get done pouring and let you guys see what it looks like.